I'm videotaping.
Oh.
We just got off Nancy's.
I miss the wheel.
It's my brother, drunk already.
Hey, bitches.
What was that? Like 3 shots and a bunch of beer? And
Too much beer.
mylah.
Too much beer.
Drinking straw from
She's
the beer.
warm. Oh,
No,
is
not
that
even
me?
not even drunk yet.
Yeah, she's
We're
not
pretending
drunk.
to be drunk because we're not even close yet.
Oh god, we had body.
Okay, we're gonna take him home now. But it's just fun. We had dinner.
Take me home.
Why? Where do you want to
I
go?
want to smoke first.
Oh man, dirty.
Check this out. Wait, couldn't find it. Ooh, fire! It's
And it's
dying.
dead.
Watch this. Oh, I don't have a lighter. Oh.
Doo-doo.
That's it? That's what you want me to watch?
Wait, unlock your car. I'll show you a trick. You saw my eyes shake, yo.
It's tweaking.
I didn't know which one to look with.
I was actually like zooming right here. I was like, wait, what's that?
I felt it, holy shit.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Alright.
Okay, that's how we do
That was good fun,
Wait.
guys.
Part 2 is gonna be me doing a trick with my lighter. I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
Where's my lighter anyways?
Don't know.
Oh, I don't have a lighter.
No?
Oh, you have
You
a
got one in your
matches.
You
I
got
don't
one in your
have
car? No? Oh, shoot.
Only at home because I have the
yeah.
candles.
Damn. Oh, you and mom. Candles.
Eh, smells good. Woosa.
Oh.
Ew. That was good though. That was really good.
I can make it better if I tank a beer.
You did.
You did take a picture of beer.
Picture?
A picture. A picture.
A picture.
A picture.
It wasn't enough.
Christian's gonna be all pissed.
Because you didn't invite him.
No.
What's next? Stop at 7-Eleven, get a bottle of wine?
We cannot.
No, we gotta go to the
Last call is at 12.
Never mind.
down the hill.
Damn!
Oh,
We don't do last calls.
Sorry, yeah, bitches.
We
I
never
have
used
to
to do
say that.
last calls.
Sorry,
Like,
yeah.
last calls. Like, fuck, motherfucker.
I know, last call for alcohol at 2 o'clock at the club.
And I just have to show you what mylah did to my car.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Jay's gonna fix it tomorrow.
You got so lucky. Okay, anyway. You're talking to the audience.
Pop, lock it, and drop it. Shake it like a money maker.
Like a Polaroid picture.
Let me ride that donkey, donkey. Let me ride that donkey, donkey. Let me ride that donkey, donkey. Let me ride that donkey, donkey.
Yeah, I think they're drunk.
Lock it.